Hi everyone, this is Lawrence and today we are going to cook braised pork shanks with fermented black beans and banana blossoms. Before we start, here are the ingredients in this video. 2 kilograms of pork shanks, 12 cloves or 1 head of garlic, minced, 2 medium-sized onions, sliced, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of vinegar, 4 bay leaves, about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of dried banana blossoms that I soaked for at least 10 minutes, 1/2 cup fermented black beans or Tausi, also soaked for 10 minutes, 1 cup pineapple juice, and also salt as needed. Let's start cooking. First, boil the meat for about 10 minutes to remove the impurities. When buying pork shanks, you can ask your butcher to cut it for you. Take out the meat, set aside, and discard the water. Now using the same pot, heat the oil, and saute garlic for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then add in sliced onions until translucent and fragrant. Add the pork shanks and give a little stir. After that, add the bay leaves, pepper, sugar, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. Now add water that is enough just to cover the meat. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Now pour in the pineapple juice and close the lid. I am using a pressure cooker to tenderize the meat faster for about 20 to 25 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can also use the regular pot, but it will take longer, about an hour or more. Now carefully lift the valve and release the pressure completely. Now the meat is tender, partially cover the pot and cook the meat on high heat to thicken the sauce. Halfway through, add the soaked banana blossoms, the soaked fermented black beans, give it a little mix, and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. And that's all. It's easy as it is. I hope you liked the video, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to get updated whenever I upload a new video. See you again next time.